Unraveling the birth of the U.S. Constitution. Debates, compromises, and visionary minds shaping democracy. Imagine a world without the freedom to voice your thoughts. A world where your rights were mutable, not guaranteed. This was the world before the U.S. Constitution. Now plunge into history. Let the past unfold as we journey back to the late 1700s, to a time of change, conflict, and ambition. It's the era that birthed the U.S. Constitution. Witness the determination at play, the shaping of representation that affects the nation even today. Feel the pride of a nation being built. The U.S. Constitution didn't just lay the groundwork, it shaped the very soul of America. The U.S. Constitution, a beacon of democracy, a testament to visionary minds who dared to dream and brave enough to act, the architects of freedom.